Welcome back to Profit Avenue. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys a new method on how to make money on Fiverr, a perfect way to earn this coming 2022. If you're looking to earn additional cash, you can earn money even without any particular skills or experience. You just need to log on to Fiverr. Follow the next steps that I'll guide you through and you can earn money. It's all free, so you don't have to worry about spending more to earn cash. Just stay tuned to the next few minutes as I tell you all about making money on Fiverr. Before we start, I have some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers, $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here are the 3 easy steps to win the money. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button and number. Finally, and the most important step, is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video, and I want you to comment down the number below while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. Let's get back to the main video. So you might be wondering what Fiverr is. Well, Fiverr is a freelance platform where sellers or freelancers can post about the services they can do. Buyers, in turn, can buy or avail of these services. For this, you will be the seller who will create a profile with skills and services you can offer. At the same time, a buyer has his own profile and searches for the skills or services he is looking to buy. Once the buyer finds a suitable seller based from the many profiles out there on Fiverr, he proceeds to create a proposal to the seller. If the seller finds the offer to be worthy of the price and skill, he can then accept the proposal. This would indicate that the service has been successfully availed and sold. In exchange for the platform that Fiverr provides, it keeps 20% of the amount the seller receives from the buyer. For freelancers, Fiverr might already be familiar for you as this is one of the top freelancing platforms available online. For those new to it, their website and app is really understandable and user-friendly, so you'll get the hang of it in no time. If you take a look at the different categories in this section, you'll see that there are a lot of niches available, which means you can choose the niche you prefer to focus on. To start, you can create your account for free. You just have to enter a valid email and some more of your personal information. Once that's done, choose a profile picture that would make your profile look professional and attractive to potential buyers or clients. A good username will also help. You don't want a username that sounds unprofessional. It's best to keep it close to your name at the very least. This will tell viewers that you are serious about getting the work done. Link your social media accounts as well. An important step is to add your skills, qualifications, and certifications. This will help boost your profile and let buyers know that you are qualified to do the task that they want. So how do you earn money through Fiverr? To answer that, let's try to search for services about subtitles and captions, which is a relatively simple task because you don't need many skills to do this. Here, you can see that there's lots of services available with almost 11,000 services notes. A lot of people are actually looking for these kinds of services, which means you can jump at this opportunity to earn money. It's an easy kind of niche with lots of languages to choose from. As long as you can speak and understand at least 1 or 2 languages, you're good to go. If you can speak Spanish, then you can do Spanish subtitles. This is the same for every other language out there. Again, there are lots of services available by other sellers with a range of around $5 to $20, which means you also have to set your prices according to your skills and the competition you have around you. If that's something that interests you, you can go ahead and start posting your own gigs. The next gig or service you can offer on Fiverr is travel planning, which is another simple task. Let's go ahead and search for these by typing travel planning. You'll see here on Fiverr that there are only around 300 sellers offering travel planning services. If you scroll down, the range goes from as low as $5 and can go up to as much as $100, depending on the details of the plans the sellers will do. As a travel planner, you'll be in charge of the client's itinerary, destinations, hotel reservations, restaurants, and many more travel-related activities. All of this information is easily available with a quick Google search. Here's an example. Let's say that the buyer is going to Paris and would like to eat somewhere near the Eiffel Tower. All you have to do is search for restaurants near the Eiffel Tower. From your search results, you will see a lot of choices and you can include that in the buyer's itinerary. It's that simple. Just think of it as planning your own holiday trip while getting paid. The next niche is phone calls and distribution services. Unlike the rest of the services, this niche is a bit more time-consuming and would require you to speak to many people over the phone. Simply search for phone calls and you'll find over 700 services available with different kinds of descriptions for each. There are cold calling, personal calls, telemarketing calls, and even shopping calls. So, anything that involves calling people is included in this niche. You can decide for yourself which ones you'd like to focus on. If you have good speaking and people skills, this category is perfect for you. Most of these jobs are on an hourly basis, giving you more opportunities to earn money per day. Once you gain more experience and expertise, you can definitely charge more for your services. One of the other niches you can try out is social media managing. Social media managers earn a lot, making it one of the best niches right now on Fiverr and even across other platforms. The social media niche is very broad and includes general social media managing, social media designing, social media content creating, and so much more. Anything related to doing work focusing on social media is a part of this niche. These are paid hourly with around $5 to $20 per hour. In a day, you have the potential to earn over $100 just by doing social media work. If you scroll down the options, you'll find that social media managers are responsible for posting on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media sites. They're in charge of keeping up a client's brand image on the internet. This means planning, scheduling, and posting curated posts with descriptions that will boost the brand's name. If you're social media savvy, this niche could be your money-making gig. The next on the list is the virtual assistant niche, which offers different sub-niches. Let's try to search for a job on Fiverr. So, as you can see here, there's a lot to choose from, depending on the niche you want to focus on. Some virtual assistants specialize in Amazon, eBay, or even real estate. Amazon virtual assistants are really in demand right now since a lot of clients want someone to run their Amazon accounts for them. VAs are paid hourly from $5 to $20, sometimes even more. From the name itself, VAs are assistants that give services through online means. Unlike personal assistants or secretaries, VAs have the comfort of working from home without having to meet the client. This means that you can have clients from anywhere around the world as long as you have the internet and a device to communicate with. Another niche you can go try is data entry jobs. Tracing back to even before the internet, data entry has been one of the oldest jobs out there. It's simple enough that you don't need much skill to start. When you search for it on Fiverr, you'll notice that there are currently thousands of services available. Since there are already a lot of sellers offering these services, the pay is not that high compared to other niches. But if you're lucky, you will also find buyers who do pay a lot to the sellers. So if you want to do simple and easy copy-pasting tasks but still earn money, you can try data entry jobs. On Fiverr, you can also offer audio transcription services. All you have to do is transcribe audio to text. You can also be tasked to add text to the video. It's similar to subtitling, but with a greater emphasis on audio work. So, here you can see that this seller offers transcriptions with a range of $5 to $30, depending on the length of the audio. Usually the rate starts at $5 and increases as the length goes higher. Also, if you read the descriptions for each service, you'll see that a lot of them guarantee fast turnaround time, which means for you to earn a lot in this niche, you have to be fast in doing your work since most clients prefer having everything done quickly with the highest quality. If you have a good quality speaking voice, you can try out being a voiceover artist. Currently, the demand for this niche keeps on increasing since there's also a demand for more video and audio content online. A voiceover artist is basically the one speaking for curated content you see on YouTube and other video sharing platforms. Here you can see that there is a lot of voiceover artists offering their services at different rates. This niche pays a lot more, starting at $20 for the shortest voiceover length. Professionals who have done tons of voiceover work typically charge more since they have the most experience. So if you start doing this now, there's a chance for you to earn even more as you gain more knowledge about this niche. You can also try out proofreading if you're proficient in English. You have to spot out mistakes and grammatical errors in articles, essays, and scripts. The rate depends mostly on the number of words the text has in total. So let's try to scroll over here. The range varies, but to give you an overall idea, a book would usually be rated for around $100 to $200. For shorter text, it starts at $5 per a certain number of words. Sometimes it's $5 for 100 words. Basically, the more words you proofread, the higher your earning potential. This is probably one of the simplest niches mentioned in today's list. Making business card designs for clients is very easy and can be done within just a few hours. You only need some basic graphic design skills and you're good to go. As you can see here, there are a lot of sellers posting about business card design services with a starting price of $10. If you add all the clients up, this can easily stack up to large amounts. To start, you can simply design business cards on Canva, your most reliable and convenient platform to edit all kinds of things, and in this case, business cards. You can simply choose one of the business card templates they have and customize this according to your client's needs. Make sure to consider the client's thoughts, as this will be their business card in which they hand over to partners. So, be wise in creating your designs. So that's how you can earn through Fiverr. Once again, everything I mentioned is completely free while still allowing you to earn money. Just choose the niche you want to focus on and start posting services on Fiverr. If you want, you can even do all of these services. It's all up to you. With these simple steps, you can earn lots in commission without much effort at all. It's all completely free and can be done in your own home. Just remember to choose products that will sell and promote them with creativity. Subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to earn money. Make sure to turn on the notifications bell to be updated for future videos, and don't miss out on our ongoing giveaway.